Survive the Tariff Wars. Part 2. Fastest growing veggies for Zone 7A. Plant now. Hey there, fellow gardeners. Welcome back to the channel. If you're in USDA Zone 7A and itching to get your hands dirty, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the fastest growing vegetables you can plant right now in early spring to get a head start on your garden bounty. Zone 7A boasts mild winters and a last frost date typically between March 30th and April 15th. That means we can start planting cool season crops outdoors right away and get a jump on warm season varieties indoors. Let's get started. First up, cool season crops. These thrive in the cooler temperatures of early spring. Radishes are a super fast win. They mature in just 20 to 30 days. Plant them in full sun or partial shade in loose, well-draining soil with a pH of 6.0 to 7.0. Use compost or a balanced 10-10-10 fertilizer, and keep the soil evenly moist. Direct seed them outdoors as soon as the soil is workable. Arugula adds a peppery kick to any salad. It's ready in 20 to 40 days. Plant in rich, well-draining soil, full sun to partial shade, and feed with compost or fish emulsion every 2 weeks. Succession plant every 2 weeks for a continuous harvest. Spinach loves loamy, nutrient-rich soil and partial shade. It matures in 30 to 45 days. Use nitrogen-rich organic matter like compost or blood meal. Keep the soil evenly moist, but remember, it will bolt in warm weather. Leaf lettuce is a garden staple. It needs well-draining, rich soil and frequent light watering. Use shade cloth as temperatures warm. Turnips offer both tasty roots and greens. They need full sun, loose sandy loam, and about an inch of water per week. Direct sow them now for fast growth. Mustard greens add a spicy bite. Harvest young leaves for the best flavor. They need well-drained, fertile soil and consistent moisture. Kale is a nutritional powerhouse. Harvest outer leaves continuously for extended production. It thrives in well-drained, rich soil. Peas need a trellis for support and well-drained, slightly acidic soil. Provide deep watering and low-nitrogen fertilizer. Scallions are versatile and easy to grow. They can even be grown in containers or indoors. Bok choy loves consistent moisture and needs protection from heat as the season warms. Now let's talk about warm season crops. You can start these indoors now or plant them outdoors after the last frost around mid-April. Bush beans need full sun and well-drained soil. Direct sow them in late April when the soil warms. Zucchini is a prolific producer. Start them indoors now for an earlier harvest. Cucumbers love warm, rich soil. Transplant seedlings in April for faster growth. Similar to zucchini, summer squash can be started indoors now or direct sown in April. Okra prefers warm soil, so plant it outdoors after the last frost. Start cherry tomatoes indoors now and transplant them in April for a delicious summer treat. For year-round gardening, consider these indoor or container-friendly options. Microgreens, bright indoor light and daily misting. Leaf lettuce, bright indirect light and moist soil. Scallions, sunny windowsill and light watering. To summarize, March to early April, direct seed cool season crops outdoors. April, start warm season crops indoors. Mid-April to May, direct seed warm season crops outdoors. So, get out there and start planting. With these fast-growing veggies, you'll be enjoying a delicious harvest in no time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more gardening tips. Happy gardening!